We did do a cost analysis on whether we hired a third party or just buying the camera ourselves. Because scanning the Utilidor tunnel at LAX was about 18,000 square feet, and we were able to scan that in 30 minutes. And that's just half an hour of everyone's time. That was our first scan, so we did bring 3 people, but just if you add up that time, it was about $400 or $500 for that scan. If you go to a third party, they're gonna charge you about $3,000. So being that the camera is about that cost, after one scan, you totally make your money back, and then you have that for all your future projects. My name is Monica Sosa. I work with Corgan Architects. At Corgan, I'm responsible for being one of the project managers on our current project at LAX, which is a $1.6 billion project. So managing a large scope of that. I am managing all the MEP coordination. I'm managing all the BIM models as well as the BHS system. We were able to reduce the amount of folks that we bring out to the site, especially our consultants. So a lot of our consultants were not local. Being able to share this information with them instead of them having to, grab a flight to come down and go through the whole badging process and get on a bus to go out to the site. When we're able to scan that information, whether it's a new existing condition or if it was during construction, if there was an issue in the field, we had an issue with a crack in one of the tunnels, so we were able to scan that and share that with our structural engineer, and he provided a solution for a fix. It's very important to have efficient information from the field straight to the entire project team. If we generate the point cloud, then we bring that into our software. So depending if it's there in design, we're going to bring that into Revit. And if it needed to be some deleted points, we'll bring that into Recap Pro to generate that. If it's during construction and we have construction models that we need to validate against, we'll bring that into Navisworks, as well as sharing that with any of the future tenants for that space if they require a point cloud for that area. Also, what we liked about bringing it into Revit is just orbiting around. There was no lag time at all. So a lot of times these point clouds are so large that we're not able to use them in our Revit software, but these are small enough, we get a small enough cache, and we can bring that into the model, maneuver, we can cut sections, and we can view the point cloud with our Revit models. Owner loved the progression scanning. They wanted to use that scanning for stakeholder presentations to kind of give an update to their team internally on where the project was, because not everyone can go out to the site. We were in the workshop on Matterport. We started a color code tagging system. Each color system was for a different consultant. So once we had that scan with different tag issues, we had structural that was orange, electrical might have been green, architectural was a different color, plumbing was a different color. I would recommend Matterport to architects or anyone in the BIM industry because it's affordable, it's accurate, and it basically gets you everything that you want for an affordable cost.